1958 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Kind of gives you a little bit of that American graffiti vibe. Underneath the hood, Eric Correct 348. And that does have a tri-power setup on it, so 3 deuces or 3 two-barrel carbs. Nicely equipped too, power steering, a factory AC car. It has been updated to like a vintage AC, and AC does blow cold. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. Of course, that iconic 1950 front end. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the car from every angle. Interior, undersides, hood, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the wide white wall radial tires, chrome wheels. The original steel wheels and wheel covers, FYI, will go along with this, as well as some miscellaneous parts. I believe some of the original AC parts and what have you are in a box that'll go along with it too. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see that in the still pictures. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. There's kind of a little spot up here, just a slight discoloration. I don't know if you can see that or not. Being pretty fussy, don't get me wrong, this car has a great look to it. There you can kind of see it. But really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Bright work up and down the passenger side here, you can see looks good. Interior kind of that tri-color with the black, gray and blue. Stock looking dash with the exception of the AC under dash. I have had the radio working, stock radio. And we'll get around to the we'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, the 1 year only body style in the 58. Chrome and bright work on the rear of the car, looking good. Dual exhaust, great sounding car. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood in just a bit. All right, once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. New brake shoes and hoses were installed, and just a minor powertrain seat, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven other than that. So it dries out very well and checked out very well in their service department. Tell you what, if you like these 58 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see up and down that driver's side, nice and straight too. Paint has a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Good look at the door panels. If you want to do any decoding with the VIN or the data tag, cowl tag, that will be in the still pictures to be able to see that if you'd like to do any decoding. See seat belts installed. Front and rear. It's a vinyl cloth combination as far as the seating surfaces. Nice shape. Headliner also in good shape. Visors intact. Let's fire this thing up. Let's listen to that 348. As you can see, again, stock looking dash. Takes a little bit for the radio to warm up, and it didn't get the loudest, but I did have it working. AC blows cold, of course. Top of the dash looking good. So again, radio working. Does it go the loudest? No, but it is working. Slip around to the back. The door closes nice. This is a good sounding car. Let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. Check out this engine bay. This might be one I can do one-handed. Good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Again, air correct, 348, power steering AC. There's your 3 deuces, tri-power, you'll hear it called a multitude of things. It is running off of 1 carb at the moment. We see that quite often also, just because the economy is a lot better on it. You're just cruising, don't care about getting all the horsepower, but it's there if you want it, hook it up. You can see more modern compressor. It has been converted, 134A from the R12. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. That baby's running smooth. There you go, pretty nostalgic car. 1958 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1958 Chevrolet Impala. A 1-year only design in many ways, and a desirable car. The AM radio is picking up.
Whether you left on good terms.
A lot of stations. The antenna works good in this car. Speedometer's working. Temperature gauge just coming up off the cold. Both our turn signal indicators are working beautifully. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Simple. We have an aftermarket HVAC system down here that does move air. Fuel gauge reads a little over half of a tank. Interior, also very nice. The striping on the seats, great throwback to 1958. Corners nicely, great power steering. Very good throttle response as well. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Nice smooth ride on the highway as you'd expect, absorbing all those imperfections for a smooth ride. Very iconic look. The 58 Chevy Impala, great example. Check out all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.